Welcome to the January edition of the 5th grade mathematics parent video newsletter. In this video, we will go over a strategy for multiplying decimals which can be found in Unit 2 of the 5th grade curriculum. The problem we'll be working on today is 5 2/10 times 1 3/10, and we will use the area model to set this up and solve. In the area model, we take each factor and break it up or expand it into place value. So for 5 2/10, we have our whole number 5, and we'll place that in our top row, and 2/10, which we'll place in our bottom row. For our other factor, 1 3/10, we'll put 1 in our first column and 3/10 in our second column. Now we need to multiply each place value of one factor by each place value of the other factor and put those products in each box. We'll start with our whole numbers, 5 times 1. When we multiply 5 times 1, we get 5. Next, we'll do 2/10 times 1. 2/10 times 1 is 2/10. Anything times 1 is itself. Next, we'll move over to the second column. We'll multiply 5 times 3/10. In this, I know that I have to look for my basic fact. It's 5 times 3. That's 15. But I'm not multiplying 5 times 3. I'm multiplying 5 times 3/10, which gives me 15/10. This is hard to think of. So let's look at 15/10. I can see that I can take out one whole group of 10/10, and I still have 5/10 left. One group of 10/10 is the same as one whole, and I have 5/10 left. So back in my problem, 5 times 3/10 is the same as 1 and 5/10. Lastly, I'll do 2/10 times 3/10. My basic fact is 2 times 3, which is 6. But since I'm multiplying tenths times tenths, I know that my answer should be hundredths. So 2/10 times 3/10 is the same as 6/100ths. Now to get my final answer, I need to add up each of my rows or each of my columns to find the total. Today I'm going to add my rows across. So 5 plus 1 5/10 is the same as 6 5/10. 2/10 plus 6/100ths is the same as 26/100ths. When I add these together, I get 6 76/100ths. So my final answer, when I multiply each place value of one factor by each place value of the other factor, is 6 76/100ths. Thank you for watching today's video on decimal multiplication. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and check back for more videos.